Chris Delping. Sambahan punta niya. Chris Delpin, may viewer ka na, dalawa. Si Bengong. Nice Bengong. Ay, hindi na
Keep moving. Don't miss any spaces. Sit on the middle is VIP. Yes, come in front and sit in the middle boxes. Although want to be the VIP. Sit on the middle.
Utong na nila mo, kumakain Skyflex.
Also, you take us in the great area as always.
Sana kinukunan mo pa sa akin.
Hindi nga.
Okay, we turn around and say goodbye people and so bye-bye. Yeah. Hello, I want to join our world famous instructor because my name is Christy. I'm your skipper. Next 5 exciting days. Please remember to keep your arms in and leg into the bowl and take care of the children and protect their electronic equipment because you make them in this trip. Okay, look at right hand side. You know who live in this tree house? No? That's tree house. But we want to visit Thailand and visit Lincoln. And now we say goodbye to the people who are right here left hand side. You see a girl? Wave your hand. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye. Left hand side. Bye bye. Continue again because I want to be spectator.
Ako kompleto na sa kanya. Bye-bye.
But don't worry, I'm gonna shock up. So all you can go back tonight. And there have many animals are waiting for us. And even of us what animal is it? That is elephant Marty's baby. His mother is
Baboy. Ay, baboy.
But don't worry, it is a baby. You may Albert. But on the right hand side, that is elephant brother. He's living in the shower in the hallway. So he looks all those windows. Like a woman. Shower. And then the on and on. On the second apron and you will get fully back. Oh, you want to get wet? Yes. Okay. No, I don't want to get wet. You be careful. And he's so
Kahit ako nakarap dito, nakapag-drive eh. Hindi na mabangga.
There's a tank of delicious elephant spot. Both take over